Good morning from Baker Street Labs. I usually don't do the talking too much, but I want to show you something really cool, or cold on the other hand if you want. People say it doesn't get cold here in Florida. Well, I got something to show them. Let's go. We were actually pushing ice out of our garden hose. See that? So, Florida, always hot and sunny. Well, it's sunny, but it sure ain't hot. Hey guys, what do you think? Want some icy pops? Huh, Zoe? Icy pops! Who wants an icy pop? Icy pop! Yeah, we like icy pops. Well, just wanted to say hi and see how all our little puppies are doing at their forever home. We miss you all, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a good one. Bye.